On today's show, Big Sur Betas accelerate ahead of a public launch. iPad Scribble rolls out with updates to pages, keynotes and numbers. And more evidence for October 13's iPhone event.
This is the Apple Daily.
I'm David for Living on iPad, and I simplify Apple so that everything just works for you. If you want the latest Apple news, leaks and rumours, weekdays at 12 UTC, like this video, click subscribe and ring my bell so that you don't miss a thing, and join my notification squad. Big Sur Betas accelerate ahead of a public launch. Big Sur Beta 8 was released yesterday, a week after Beta 7 was released to developers. The increased cadence with weekly releases instead of 2 weekly releases tends to indicate that we are getting closer and closer to the launch, as less bugs are left to squash on each subsequent beta. This will be in line with Apple's October event on October 13th, and could well indicate that we will see the first Apple Silicon Macs as that rolls out together. Big Sur brings a complete overhaul of the visual experience in macOS with a new graphical interface, more space between items, potentially more touch-friendly controls, and a completely new icon set inspired by iOS. Also, Apple has stopped signing iOS 13.7, so you can no longer downgrade from iOS 14. iPad Scribble rolls out with updates to pages, keynotes and numbers. Apple Pencil has got much wider support since WWDC this year when they announced Scribble. That is their handwriting recognition system, which takes your handwritten text, turns it into searchable text, and you can cut and paste it into other text documents as regular text. You can manipulate it exactly as if it was typed, so you can search through it, you can use it in all applications. Apple has updated their iWork suite, if anyone actually still calls it that, which is Pages, Numbers and Keynote, to take more advantage of the Apple Pencil, including new image manipulation tools. And more evidence for October 13's iPhone event. Now it looks like Eddy Cue, the Apple's Senior Vice President of Internet Software and Services, has appeared on an internal phone call for one of the UK's biggest carriers to promote Apple services ahead of an October 13th iPhone event with pre-orders for the new phones starting on October the 16th. So I think we can call this one confirmed. And that's what I'm going to do in the thumbnail. It looks like we will have iPhone 12s launching on October the 13th with pre-orders starting on the 16th. That means we'll get iPhone 12. We'll probably almost certainly get iPhone 12 Pros also announced at the event, even if they have to ship a little bit later. I think I'm going to go Pro this year. And from October the 13th, we'll have official new Apple iPhone stuff to talk about on this show. Woo! Mark it in your calendars, guys. I'm pretty sure this is now officially confirmed. Things can always change. Things can always change until Tim Cook steps on that virtual stage at Apple Park and tells us himself that it's coming. Because there will always be rumours either way. But October 13th, you heard it here, probably 3rd or 4th. So thank you so much for watching the show. Don't forget, if you want to join my notification squad, hit me up in the comments down there. But in this show, I would love to know, what is your favourite other tech YouTuber? Who is it that you watch other than me? Because I know that you watch me because you're answering the question. Who is your favourite tech YouTuber? Let me know down in the comments. And I'm just interested to know who else you guys watch. Thanks very much. See you on tomorrow's show.